Helium Mobile offers a unique and cost-effective approach to cellular service by blending the nation's largest, most advanced T-Mobile 5G network with its own community-powered hotspots, aiming to provide broader coverage at a significantly lower price. A major benefit is the potential to drastically reduce or even eliminate your monthly phone bill by earning mobile token rewards. These rewards can then be used to pay for your plan, effectively allowing you to get service for free. With plans starting at $0 per month and unlimited options starting at $15 per month, Helium Mobile provides a compelling alternative for budget-conscious users and those interested in participating in a decentralized wireless network. Data privacy comes first, as the company does not sell your data for profit. Best part is you can sign up for service without a credit card or an ID. Go ahead and give their free plan a try. You do know you have a second SIM slot in that phone you are using, right? Use our sponsor link in the description box below and get $10 off any plan you choose. I actually use Helium Mobile for my work phone line and absolutely love it. You will too. Helium Mobile.